conversation with this nice young man who doesn't know the probably just for school! Oh! She should be a model! It really brings out the dead rotten flesh in her wrinkles. Oh, that's sexy right there. Oh my god. Look like a bunch of clouds fell from the sky! Tomahawk. Oh my lord. Thought I was gonna see straight to the promised land up there. Woo! Looks like Resident Evil all over again. Dude, get some clothes on. I want to see your freaking legs. Hi. Oh my god, those are some sexy pics. You know what I think? I think they're weird because they're jiggling. Oh my. Dude, you just got shot in the heart. You don't need to have a heart attack. Holy crap, where's her legs? Dude, shut up. We don't need to hear you. Go to sleep. Where's your petunias? You forgot your petunias. Cool.
Lori.
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 Carl.
Carl. Carl. Ugh.
Lori.
Lori. My petunias are